So anyway, welcome to my channel, Horse Stuff with Jeff. I got this little mare here. She's actually 9 years old. She's been started in a round pen. Kind of a late starter here. And I got her last year. I didn't have time to do anything with her. So I'm donating her to an auction. And money's going to a good cause. But she's a little nervous and doesn't have much for patience right now. But I got two horses standing in behind, so you'll hear them. But I'm just going to brush her out, clean her up a little bit, and get pictures for this auction and what have you. So anyway, we'll get at her and see how it goes. Ooh. Check that out. Check this out. I should get that other brush. Oh, this is going to be hairy. I hate brushing them in the barn when it's this time of year, but it is so muddy out there. There you go. There you go. I had a hard time catching her because I got that other mare in that thing, and she is really hard to catch. And so she gets everybody so friggin' worked up and convinced that they're all going to be killed. So, Alright, girl. That's real good. Yeah. Does that feel good? Yeah. She, she's pretty good. She just, this other horse got her worked up so bloody much. Now she's realizing that it's not that bad. I'm going to do her mane while I got her on this side. She probably won't like this. I'm sure she... Oh, that's a bad knot right there. You done? So anyway, so she's doing pretty good. I would say. Oh. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, nope. There. That one. Good girl. She's naughty. She is naughty. Okay. So, I got her mane done. That was a lot of work. I'm not gonna cinch her right up. Then I'd have to. Then I'd have to put this saddle all together. I don't really feel like doing that. So anyway, I'd say she's pretty good. She seems pretty calm with it all. Yeah. So anyway, that's her. If anybody from the auction watches this, you want any more info, just give me a call. Those guys will have my number. And like I said, I've never rode her. And I was gonna think of just getting her started and going and see if she becomes a kid's horse or not. But yeah. Anyway, there she is. Hey there, little guy. Got another little brushing out here. That tail is muddy. I'm not even gonna bother with that today, I don't think. Oop, 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 oop. That's it. That's it. That's it. I know she's not too bad with her feet because we've trimmed her a few times. Here's a few bucks. Okay, she's pretty muddy. I will let you out first. I should just put you right here. You're so good. There you go. You're free to go, my little friend. There you are. Uh-oh. Here, don't go down there. Don't go down there. Come on. Get out. Come on. Come on, walk up. Walk up. Walk up. Walk up. Come on, let's go. First I couldn't get him in the barn, then you can't get him out of it. Yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe or hit the like button. That'd be great. But as you see, that little horse, since it's been over a year since it's really been handled, and only really green started since like before then. But it took her a little while, but she settled right into it. She did really good. So I was quite happy with her. Anyway, you guys have yourselves a good one.